Hi, welcome. This video is about how to remove unresponsive leads in GetResponse and why and how to do it step by step. So first of all, why to remove leads that you already got them and you made a lot of effort to get them? There are two reasons for removing them. The first one is you pay to GetResponse according to level of people that you have. In each plan that they have rank of amount of people that when you pass it, you pay additional money for the second, third, fourth level of amount of people. And if you have unresponsive people that are helping you with nothing, then you pay for the place that they take. So it's better to remove those people, bring new people, and have paying the right amount for you at that plan. The second one is removing them because GetResponse measures you according to the how much people like your content. And by their responsiveness, GetResponse knows that they like your content or they don't. And of course, if you remove those people that are not responsive, and non-responsive can be people that did not open your content in the last months, in the last 3 months, in the last year. It depends what you decide is the right amount of months or years or whatever that is good for you. And then it will help GetResponse to evaluate you better. So let's go now to the computer and I'll show you step by step what to do and how to remove those people. So let's go now. Okay, so we are at the computer, and the first thing I want to show you is what I was talking about just a little bit before, about the prices and the different prices for amount of or the size of the list. You can see here that you can choose for which size of list you want to have this basic or professional or plus plan, and for each one of the plan they have different price for each different size of a list. So let's say we'll take a jump from 1,000 to 2,500 leads, and you can see that the price is being raised from $15 to $25 a month. And it's not about the same, but it's the same way for other plans. So now let's go to GetResponse. And this is my GetResponse account. And in order to, first of all, find how many people are not responding to your messages, I'm here already, but you can click here on the this figure of GetResponse and go over here to lists. And then search. Now in the search, the advanced search is what you're looking for, and end condition. We want to find the people that are not opening. You have different things to look for, but I'm going to see contact actions, and we'll see what's the possibilities. But you can choose different things. I will not go over it here, but just keep in mind that you have different possibilities. So now that we are here, contact actions. And as you see here, you have quite a few actions that you can choose from. I will choose messages not opened. And select, and I will choose any message because I don't really care right now which message was it, like autoresponder or a newsletter, because this person might have finished my autoresponder messages, but he's keeping opening my newsletters, so this is fine with me. So any message. And here I will choose since, but you can see that you have different lengths of periods. And in the since, I have the possibility to choose from. In my case, in this example, I will choose 1 year back. But in general, I will do probably 3 to 4 months. Because now I had a very long period that I was not constant with my sending of content to my people. Then I'm doing it for 1 year, and then probably in a month or so I will go back to 3 months, and I will do the same as I'm showing here. So going back to 1 year, that's about 1 year for me, and apply. So this is what I'm going to be deleting, but as you saw, you can put them in different condition. You can move them. Where was it? What was it? Message not. I wanted to show you that. Where is it? Well, I don't see it right now, but you can move them to a different list, and you can copy them to a different list, and you can do many things. So just be aware of that. And if you don't want to delete them, then don't. Okay. So it's here, okay. I will delete the list, but as I was saying, you can copy to list, you can move to list, you can delete from the account, or delete from the list. I will delete from the list here. Make sure, yes, delete them. That's it. So this is all for this video. Underneath this video, you can find a course, a 4-video course about affiliate marketing. It's free. Check it up if you want it. Then just sign up in and you'll get it to your mail. And all the best to you. I'll see you next time. Bye.